Apple just released the 1.1 update of their Final Cut Camera app. I'm getting so excited because they basically gives us everything we've been asking for. If you haven't tried out this app yet, it's pro-level video recording app that allows you to do a lot of menu controls like white balance, ISO, shutter speed, menu focus, all that. The first huge update, HEVC log recording. If you are using iPhone 15 Pro or 16 Pro series and you want to shoot Apple Log, in iOS native camera app, you can only shoot that in ProRes HQ. And those files are gigantic. Also, you cannot even shoot 4K 60 onto the device. That's why a lot of people like to use Blackmagic Camera App because it allows you to shoot Apple Log in HEVC, aka H265. It's a really high efficiency codec and the file size are so much smaller. But now you can also do that in Final Cut Camera App. Just go to the left side, set your codec to HEVC, switch SDR to log. Here you go. Look at the file size. For HEVC, I can do 36 hours, but for ProRes, I can only do 58 minutes. What is also really cool is that now you can do 4K 60 directly on your device because we are having a smaller file size. As you can see, we can do 4K 60 and then hit record. The second huge update, Apple Log LUT Preview. In the past, when we are shooting Apple Log, we have to staring at the gray washed out log image. But now we can preview our log video in SDR or HDR with the new LUT Preview function. We just go to Settings, and over Color and Dynamic Range, we can turn on Preview with LUT. And then you can choose whether you want to preview in SDR or HDR. Let's keep it SDR. Look at my vivid red color table. And this LUT is just for preview. It's not actually baked in to the clip you are capturing. For example, if I record a short clip and then go to watch it, it's still a pure Apple Log footage. And at this point, it doesn't have the function that you can have the LUT preview when you are watching your footage. And also, you are not able to bring in your own LUT for the preview. You can only preview it in regular SDR or HDR. Other than those two major updates, there are also some new added features. For example, now it supports 4K 120 FPS for iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. Other than that, over tools, there's also a new level. When you are filming, you can see this indicator on screen, which is really helpful. Alright, that's all the exciting new features in this update. You might want to ask, all those features are basically already exist in Blackmagic Camera App. Why do I want to use Final Cut Camera anyway? To me, I feel like I just really enjoy how easy and intuitive the user interface is like. It kind of looks like the native iOS camera, but it has a little bit more menu controls that let you do more. And also, I really like iPhone's native stabilization. At this point, I still feel a little bit smoother compared with the Blackmagic Camera App. And now with HEVC log recording and LUT Preview, I think I'm gonna fall in love with this app more. Alright, that's all for today's video. If you enjoy it, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this, be sure to subscribe. Now check out a cinematic video I shot on my iPhone. Have a nice day.